yet something inside still whispers my name. I built the minds, I chained the hands, turned children's sweat into golden land. Empires fall, but I remain. 1,000 lives, a single name. My lovers kneel, my worshippers rise. They beg for favor, I feed them lies. I carve my throne from spines and greed. Their broken backs, my history. I hold the world, I shape their fate. But why does emptiness resonate? Dracula, damn it, the master of all. From the rise of Rome to the factory sprawl. I never give back. I write my story in shadows and black. Yet when night falls, I hear her call. The Widowmaker, she made me crawl. Bound in her web, I was whole and tame. But I am Jack, I play the long game. She tied me down, she took control, wrapped me in silk, devoured me whole. For once I bent, for once I bowed, for once I was nothing, silent, proud. But when I broke from her venom's kiss, I burned her name, I drowned in bliss. I rose again, a king, a fiend, yet haunted still by what could have been. I hold the world, I shape their fate. But why does emptiness resonate? I am Dracula, damn it, the master of all. From the rise of Rome to the factory sprawl. I never give back. I write my story in shadows and black. Yet when night falls, I hear her call. The Widowmaker, she made me crawl. Bound in her web, I was whole and tame. But I am Jack, I play the long game. What is power when love is lost? A kingdom built, but at what cost? I drain them dry, I drink, I feed, but never fill a hole in me. I play the long game, but who won? I am Dracula, damn it, immortal, supreme, yet haunted at night by the ghosts of my dreams. I steal, I thrive, but would I trade it to finally die? I play the long game, but who won? I take, I own, I devour, I reign, yet something inside still whispers.